Why do you care? That's what I would like to know. I think I need to explain that. I have one question that only you know the answer to. In this super short video, I have a question and you are the one that can help me out. I'm working on a YouTube course and I'm trying to make videos that are helpful for you, that have value and that are inspiring and entertaining, maybe even. And I would love to hear from you. What are you looking for when you are browsing YouTube? And I'm more specific on my channel. I don't mean a specific technique, but more what kind of value do you hope to get? What are the things you are struggling with and what's your pain point? So I can craft better content for you and make sure that you get what you are looking for and that I give you something you want to watch. So basically what I want to know is, what would you like to get out of a video? And you would do me an enormous favor if you can tell me in a comment below this video. Thanks so much for your help and I will see you next time.